Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Kahoot public. Making your Kahoot discoverable allows a vast audience to enjoy your content, fostering a wider community of learners and players. We will walk through the straightforward process of adjusting your Kahoot's visibility settings, ensuring your creations can be easily found and played by anyone. This guide will help you share your educational or fun quizzes with the world in just a few moments. To begin, you will need to log into your Kahoot account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your library of Kahoots. You can either select a Kahoot you have already created and wish to make public, or you can start building an entirely new one. After selecting your desired Kahoot, simply click on the Edit button to open its detailed settings and customization options. Within the Kahoot's Edit screen, look for the visibility or privacy settings, usually found on the left-hand side or at the top. Here, you will see options like private or public. To make your Kahoot accessible to everyone, simply select the public option. It is crucial to then click the Done or Save button to ensure your changes are applied and your Kahoot becomes discoverable. Once your Kahoot is public, you can easily share it with others. After saving, you will often see options to get a shareable link or a game PIN. Copy this link or PIN and distribute it through various channels, such as email, social media platforms, or instant messaging applications. This allows anyone with the link or PIN to join and play your Kahoot, expanding its reach significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.